Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to reset password in Roblox. Firstly, open your browser and go to the Roblox login page. Under the login button, click on Forgot Password or Username. On the next page, enter the email address linked to your Roblox account, then click or tap on Submit. Roblox will send the password reset email to the address you provided. Wait for a few seconds, then click or check your inbox. Open the email from Roblox, then click on Reset link inside. Follow the link, which will take you to a page where you can set a new password. Enter your new password twice to confirm, then submit. Now return to the Roblox login page, log in using your email and your new password, and make sure your email or phone number linked to Roblox is current and accessible. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.